Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into a massive shift, the rise of the agentic social web.
We're literally ditching those old static feeds for proactive networks that actually interact with you.
The secret sauce? AI agents. Forget basic chatbots. These guys autonomously reason, analyze data, and just get things done.
And the clock's ticking. Gartner predicts 40% of enterprise apps will embed these smart agents by year's end.
So what does this mean for our social networks? Well, three pivotal roles are getting a massive AI upgrade.
First up, curation. Think of agents as your digital archivists, smashing echo chambers to deliver deep, contextual intelligence. It's wild. Specialized agents like Noemo's AI actually predict how your content will land before you even hit post. Next is moderation. Instead of clunky keyword filters, this AI grasps actual human nuance, slang, and even satire.
Finally, representation. Imagine having a round-the-clock brand proxy handling complex conversations everywhere with absolute factual accuracy.
Put all this together, and you get Web4, a totally new, symbiotic relationship between us and autonomous machines. This Web4 paradigm totally shatters old data silos, and it's built on three cooperative pillars to empower you.
Pillar 1 is interoperable autonomy. Your data is never trapped. Your personal agent travels securely with you everywhere.
Next, democratic governance. We're steering token frameworks away from pure speculation, focusing on real community utility and secure voting. The best part? You don't have to wait. You can build this agentic future right now using Web4.community. It's an incredible human-centric platform built on top of rock-solid open-source tools like Google's Jenkit and TypeScript. Through their upcoming Community Studio, you can natively deploy three distinct types of autonomous agents. Let's check them out. First, community analyzers. These track organic sentiment nonstop, synthesizing hot topics to drive way deeper member engagement. Second are content planners. Think of them as your creative co-pilots, autonomously drafting and optimizing resources in real time. And lastly, decentralized guardrails. These automated structures keep your whole community vibrant, safe, and fiercely protective of privacy. So, here's the ultimate question. Will your community stay trapped in legacy Web 2, or will you build an intelligent ecosystem?